yourself having to move fast and are searching things online like, how do I sell my house fast because of job transfer, relocation, or deployment in San Diego, on your list of about 100 things to handle, it's probably near the top. Because of the value of the asset and the amount of work it will require, and sometimes because of the time and headaches associated with this type of task in general, it is not to be taken lightly. I've seen a lot of people who just want to move on from the property as quickly as possible, mainly because you have more important things to handle in your new city with the new job and a new home, of course. My name is Brian Malo, and I'm the president of Trusted House Buyers. Since we are located here in San Diego, this is a pretty common situation that our region faces. Whether it be in the private sector or with our military, it happens pretty frequently. Did you know that San Diego is home to the largest concentration of military in the world? It is a home port to more than 60% of the ships in the U.S. Pacific Fleet and more than 1/3 of the combat power of the U.S. Marine Corps. That's pretty amazing, isn't it? Those service members, along with many of San Diego's other industries that thrive here, just make this region very supportive to a transitory, sort of professional trajectory. The point is, we do come across this situation pretty often where you could be asking, how do I sell my house fast because of job transfer, relocation, or deployment in San Diego? And we can be of help. I'll also give you some other avenues to pursue if we're not a good option for your situation. The reality is, a job change or a promotion is normally a pretty good opportunity. So first of all, congratulations. But being able to sell your home because of this opportunity can be more challenging than you might have thought. Relocating is often exciting, but with the big move to a new area to explore, new friends, new schools, new home to get set up, most folks will underestimate the fatigue that you might go through, especially if you need to start your employment pretty quickly. Selling a house because of a job transfer or for a better opportunity in another city requires a lot of planning, and most families want to stay together, right? So the quicker everyone can get settled in a new city with new schools and activities, the smoother the transfer will likely be. Initially, speak with your company or your employer about any relocation packages available. Some relocation packages help you sell your existing home so you're free to move for your new job. The best ones even pay, I think, for a lot of the costs involved, which provide you with a huge savings. Now, if you're left at it on your own, let's discuss some realistic scenarios you're really going to be facing. For example, what happens if you own 2 homes at once? Well, as you can imagine, it's pretty expensive. While it would be nice, it's not very realistic for most people. Paying property taxes, maintenance, utilities, 2 mortgages is burdensome and will drain your bank account very, very fast. Even if you think it's going to be only for a month or 2, things happen in 6 months or 12 months down the road. Panic usually sets in, and those are the calls we get. And homeowners usually would have been better off just at the beginning, not trying to carry both homes. Also, there's a chance of not being able to qualify for the new home. If you can qualify and can afford to carry both homes, and your house is brand new or recently received an entire home makeover or remodel, then you should try and sell it retail and carry both mortgages at the same time until those few months have passed by and you eventually sell it. If that's not for you, another option is to try and rent your current home. Keep in mind there is usually what's called a seasoning period to qualify for financing. So don't assume the rental income is going to offset your old expenses, your old home's expenses, and improve your financial position, at least in the eyes of the lender. Even if you're able to rent your home because of job transfer, there is plenty of risk in owning 2 houses. Rental homes will take a beating. Finding the right tenants, having a trusted list of vendors, or knowing which third-party property management company to hire, usually at a cost, right? These are all additional tasks you'll need to worry about. Plus, you'll be busy setting up your new life, and if you're not living locally, dealing with problem tenants or requests for repairs from afar. It's an added set of stress and headaches that might not be for you. What if they miss a payment? Or what if you can't fill a vacancy? Can your bank account handle that? A final option may be to sell your house fast for cash in San Diego. When you add the challenge of selling your home because of job transfer and finding a new residence in a faraway place, the transition can be pretty downright intimidating. The incentive to move may be great, but make no mistake about it, job transfers are expensive for homeowners, which is why this option can be a real benefit for you. By taking care of the home sale problem at one end, it obviously enables you and your family to concentrate on the more important job of buying a home in your new location. It also enables you to pay off any existing loans in order to obtain that new mortgage on a new home. This is something our company can help homeowners with. We buy homes fast, as is, for cash, and can close very quickly. We understand the stress involved when you're searching for things like sell my house fast because of job relocation, transfer, or deployment in San Diego. I've lived it myself, and it's not fun. It's not a time anyone wants to be messed around with. We will be upfront, honest, and provide you with a real fast, fair, and easy option to consider. If you think it's not for you, that's completely fine. We're not for every situation. I will tell you, we are a local family-run company and we are credited by the Better Business Bureau. Our customers have been more than pleased on how they were treated and how we were able to help them in their situation. So if you're also facing a situation where you're thinking, I need to sell my house fast because of job relocation, transfer, or deployment in San Diego, give us a call and see what we can do for you. Find out how we work. We'd love to be able to help out if we can. Call us at Trusted House Buyers today, 619-786-0973. You can always ask for me. My name is Brian, and we look forward to helping you. Thanks for your time.